Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. This video I will be guiding you how to log into BFS employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer and on the search URL, type in BFS employee login. Press enter on your keyboard. Now you will get to this interface where you can see multiple search results or links. Now from this interface, click on the second link that says Team Member Access of Builders First Source or BFS. Click on that. Now you will get to see this interface. On your interface, you will be provided with various links, and all these links will take you directly to where you need to go to access your employee and benefits information. Now, select the link that you prefer. You can either sign in with your Microsoft Outlook, or you can register or sign in to your Empower Retirement Plan account, or you can get to IT Self-Service Portal or HR Self-Service. So according to your preferences, select the link. After you do that, first of all, enter your valid username. If you want to save in your login information for the next time you log in, click on this checkbox that says remember me. And if you need any help signing into your account in case you are having any trouble, click on this link provided that says help. Now, once you're done typing in a username, click on this next button, and on the next page you have to enter your correct password. Once you do that, click on sign in button and you will be successfully logged into your employee account. And that's it. And this way you can simply log into your BFS employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.